Aparna Group presents Aparna Elina. The epitome of excellence taking shape, an address that is sure to elevate its residents to a whole new world of exclusivity. Aparna Elina comprises of a majestic 20-floor building consisting of 2 towers connected by a common air-conditioned lobby and surrounded by impeccably maintained gardens and lush landscape ideal for recreation and relaxation. With 18 years of experience, 28 completed projects and over 7,000 satisfied customers, Aparna Group forays into India's Silicon Valley, Bangalore with one of the finest ultra-luxury project in Yeshwantpur, Bangalore. Rising above landscaped gardens, the brilliant assembly of 3, 4 and 5 BHK apartments and the penthouse on the 19th and 20th floor are a pure expression of luxury and elegant living, offering breathtaking views of the city. Every apartment at Aparna Elina is designed to create a vibrant flow of energy. Tastefully done up living and dining rooms are designed for those who never settle for anything else, either with ambience, amenities or quality of life. The well-planned and elegantly executed kitchen will be the delight of every homemaker. Spacious bedrooms are complemented by large windows and bathrooms fit for a connoisseur. Aparna Elina is offering a vast array of floor plans and incredible views from every unit. The master bedrooms at Aparna Elina, with impeccable decor and exotic fittings, will indulge you in its vast living spaces, personalized to your lifestyle. A refreshing and inviting swimming pool with a toddler's pool and sun deck to soothe your senses after a hard day's work is sure to be the cause of envy. An elaborate play area with play material that can match the bubbly energy of your tiny tots. The Clubhouse offers you almost every element of luxury that you can think of for the lifestyle you've always desired. The vast array of amenities will have you returning again and again for the fun and joy you can share with your family, friends and neighbors. A swanky and state-of-the-art gym provides you the opportunity to up the fitness quotient of your entire family without stepping out. Complementing the vast array of outdoor games, a multitude of indoor games like carom, table tennis, billiards and squash are designed to bring out the sports person in every family. A well-stocked and cozy library with a state-of-the-art home theatre room helps you to unwind and enliven your weekends. A spacious and tastefully decorated hall is always available for you to host your parties. Toddlers of working couples are taken good care of in the creche within the premises. With amazing amenities like this to provide you luxury and nirvana, the meditation room seems to be an afterthought. Our undivided attention to every aspect of luxury living is exactly why even the smallest detail is given the highest importance. Every facet of Aparna Elina reflects Aparna's commitment to provide residents nothing but the best experience. A lifestyle that sets you apart with unmatched, never-before sophistication. Raise a toast to Elina.